Next, we're heading to meet Jesse Duran, a junior studying computer engineering. The hands-on experience he is doing here at the college is remarkable. He's going to take a few minutes to tell us about experiential education here at the Fort. Jesse, you're on.
Hey, Alex. Hey, everyone. So, computer engineering is a new major here at Fort Lewis, but it already has an incredible reputation. I've been doing research at the college for almost a year, and in that time, I've had wonderful research opportunities presented to me. I work closely with the biology and physics and engineering departments. The undergraduate research opportunities are beyond belief, and this is because the professors work tirelessly to bring these opportunities to campus. The amount of cross-disciplinary training and hands-on work that I've been able to do extends from microbiology, microfluidics, lasers and optics, machining parts, and printed circuit board design. The research is exciting, but that doesn't mean that regular courses are boring. It's quite the opposite. In my geology class, we went north of Durango to look at fossilized specimens in limestone, stratification of rock, and natural occurring hot springs. In my physics course, we built an electric motor from nothing but wood, nails, and wire. In chemistry class, we synthesized ibuprofen. With all of these classes, I got the opportunity to connect my learning to the real world. The classes here at the Fort are more than just theory, they're application. If these classes sound a little academically challenging, you're absolutely right. But luckily, the tutoring services on campus are phenomenal. As a CE major, I have to take a lot of math. There's a peer education center that has tutors at the ready to help you with any problems that you may have in math, writing, languages, and more. The Native American Center also has dedicated tutors for a wide variety of classes. Best of all these services are free. The feeling at Fort Lewis is that everyone wants you to succeed. If you put in the time and the effort, the opportunities will present themselves and you'll reach new horizons. Alex, back to you.
Jesse, wow. What you're getting to do at this college is absolutely fascinating. There's no better way to prepare for the real world than working on real work. That's incredible. Thanks for sharing. Great job.